on video. What's the hissing noises? Yeah. So when's it actually gonna go, like, continuously? This is crazy. You can feel a little heat blasts every now and then. How tall are the flames? Woo! That's an inferno. I think it's over.